Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest economic calendar on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. On Thursday and Friday, the following macroeconomic events that can influence the currency market situation will see the light of day. On Thursday, the United Kingdom will publish its retail sales data for July. Analysts project monthly and annual gains of 0.2% and 2.9% respectively. In June, the UK retail sales unexpectedly dropped by 0.5%, coming in way below market expectations, while core retail sales declined by 0.6% month over month. On an annualized basis, the UK retail sales rose by 2.9% versus 3.9%. Retail sales grew strongly across the 3 months to June 2018 as the warm weather encouraged shoppers to buy food and drinks for their barbecues. However, in June, retail sales fell back slightly, with growth in food sales offset by declining spending in many other shops, as consumers stayed away from shopping and instead enjoyed the World Cup away from the heatwave. On Thursday, the United States will release its building permits data for July. An advance of 1,310,000 is forecast by economists. In June, U.S. building permits declined for a third straight month, dealing a blow to the housing market, as it struggles with an acute shortage of properties available for sale. Building permits dropped by 2.2% to a rate of 1.273 million units, hitting the lowest level since September 2017. Economists had forecast permits rising to a rate of 1,330,000 units. On Friday, Canada will report on its inflation change for July. The Consumer Price Index is expected to have grown by 0.1% on a monthly basis. In June, inflation also accelerated by 0.1% on a month-over-month basis. At the same time, Canada's annual inflation rate hit a 6-year-plus high at 2.5%, reflecting higher prices for energy and an economy operating close to full potential. Signs of stronger price growth may encourage the Bank of Canada to further normalize monetary policy in 2018. The Bank of Canada sets its interest rate policy to reach and maintain 2% inflation. The Canadian Central Bank lifted its benchmark policy rate by a quarter percentage point to 1.5% in June and said it expected higher interest rates will be warranted to keep inflation near target. In addition to these statistics, market participants will keep an eye on the following economic releases. On Thursday, Australia is to publish its latest employment report. The United States will reveal its initial jobless claims statistics and manufacturing activity data in the Philadelphia region. On Friday, the euro area is to release revised inflation data, and the US will round up the week with preliminary data on consumer sentiment. And this was Economic Calendar on Insta TV. Thanks for watching and see you back soon.